Alright, let's get started. Open the wallet, go to the Manage Names tab, and click SSL. In the window that opens, browse for OpenSSL.exe. Click OK. Now let's generate a new certificate. Enter a name and email, and click OK. Now enter a password to encrypt the certificate. OK. Now we'll have to install the certificate. In the Certificate Import wizard, click Next. Here, enter the password you created earlier. Importing is done. Now let's close the window and publish the certificate in the blockchain. We recommend publishing it for 6 years or more. Click Submit. Here's when we will need a few EmerCoins. Wait for around 10 minutes while the record is fixed in the blockchain. Once this is done, let's configure the exchange itself. Open Chrome. Log on to the exchange. Go to Account and then Security. Turn on certificate-based authorization. As the certificate is already installed, we don't need to choose it. We have just one. The exchange asks for your account password and sends a confirmation code to your email. Enter the code. Now let's try logging on with the certificate. Done. Let's try again. Done. You're all set.